Scarlett and I'm a performer and artist. Today we're going to explore using our voices. For a long time, communities have used singing and noise making as a way of dismantling power structures and expressing how they feel. Greenham Peace Camp was a place where people, including artists, came together to protest the government's plans of military occupation nearby. Songmaking was a way of getting their peaceful message across.
From the channel to the glen, bring the message home. Carry Greenham home, yeah.
What do you care about that you could put in a song?
I care about global warming. I care about the people that have suffered from cancer. I care about the people in Afghanistan because my friend is actually from there, and once he told me what had happened and why he had to come to England, just made me feel very sad.
Artists use their voices in different ways to express ideas and share messages. Maybe even a single noise can do a trick. So let's have a go at making some noise. What we're going to do is tiny face, tiny face, and then great job. Shake that off a little bit, and Noise making isn't the only way you can use your voice to make art. In Zineb Sedira's film Mother Tongue, the artist filmed herself, her mother, and her daughter sharing childhood memories, but they all spoke different languages. Sedira was exploring the ways in which our voice links to our cultural identity and the importance of being able to share stories between generations.
On finissait à 4 heures. Donc tu vois, on commençait plus tôt et on finissait plus tard que...
What kind of message would you like to share? Once you have a sentence or a slogan, try playing with how you say it or the order of the words. We've practiced this with an existing song, but you can use your own. 3, 4, and break 'em on down, break 'em on down, break 'em on down, these walls between us, break 'em on down, break 'em on down, break 'em on down, these walls between us, break 'em on down, break 'em on down, these walls between us, break 'em on down, break 'em on down, these walls between us. That was our version, but how about you? Grab some friends and make some noise.